Hello everyone, welcome to PSIR 300 Plus channel. I hope that you're all doing well. Don't go anywhere. This is just a slide. We are here, my dear students. As you all know that we have been doing lot of lectures, right? So we have already seen INE Air Base, very good information that we have got. Today we are talking about something which is very unique. Okay, we are talking about a country which is always like giving us some kind of what comedy bites. Okay, so Pakistan should also be related to comedy bites such as a channel because we also have in our Kapil Sharma shows etc. Sony shows, right? The same thing the Pakistan will always do. Now suppose if you want to hit your enemy, basically what do? You will grow yourself, right? Okay, but Pakistan is not like that. Pakistan want to hit India, but he cannot do all by himself, neither in economy, neither political influence, neither with regard to manpower, neither with regard to army or defense whatsoever. Okay, they cannot compete with us directly. So what they do is they go around and meeting friends and try to bring a group to attack what India. That is what the strategy of Pakistan looks like at this point of time. You can see that Shehbaz Sharif, the PM of Pakistan, is shaking hands with Jinping, okay, Chinese supremo, saying that, sir, why don't we have a bloc just like SAARC and IBSA? Because you have to see that in SAARC, Pakistan was a member. And after the Pakistan sponsoring the terrorist activities, India is no longer interested in this particular SAARC association. And India is saying that wherever Pakistan is there, they are sponsoring terrorism, etc. So and so forth. The meetings, we are not going to sit with a traitor. We are not going to sit with a terrorist. So the conclusions, the agreements, the whatever the discussions that need to happen with regard to the SAARC, which is actually not happening at this point of time. It has now become a defunct organization, you can say like that, and same is the case for IBSA. That's why India is giving importance to G20 summit. India is giving importance to Shanghai Cooperation Organization. India is giving importance to what ASEAN. India is giving importance to BRICS. BRICS is also not doing so well, but still we are doing something with regard to the BRICS. But these two organizations where India is a member, we are not so much involved in that. We are also doing very good with regard to BIMSTEC. So our concentration are here. Okay, our concentrations are here, not in the SAARC and IBSA. And you should be aware of this as Pakistan cannot be here. Okay, Pakistan again cannot be here. Pakistan again cannot be here. So Pakistan is saying that, oh my God, even the India is having lots of blocks they are working on, but Pakistan is having very less number of blocks, and we are not invited at G20 summit, nor we are invited to United Nations Security Councils, nor we are invited to, like, we are invited to SEO, but not so good as like Prime Minister Modi ji, basically Athens. Okay, that's how the Pakistan is feeling very uneasy. Oh my God, what to do now? So Pakistan is thinking that the Pakistan got a new strategy. Okay, now if you want to stand against India, you have to go for what? You have to go for लिटरली यू हैव टू मेक ए ग्रुप. एक झुंड बनाना तो है, किसी माने शेर को घायल करने के लिए झुंड बनाने की कोशिश की जा रही है. सो दैट इज व्हाट दी Pakistan Shehbaz Sharif is actually doing. So in a rush to form, not from, it's very wrong here, it's from rush to form a bloc. Again, nothing but similar to SAARC and IBSA. Okay, so this is the Pakistan Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister also, Ishaq Dar. Obviously, he don't give comedy statements as was given by the Pakistan Defense Minister during the Operation Sindoor. He was saying that the reporter was asking him, "Sir, did you shot down Indian aircrafts?" He was like, "I guess social media is showing you." So that's how his response, a foreign minister, a defense minister with no credible official formal response. That's how they are. So there is no line of hierarchy of power itself. Everyone does whatever they want to do. That's how the Pakistan looks like to everyone, to all of us, even us. So Pakistan is reportedly working on a significant strategic move. Oh, we have to call it as strategic. We have to talk about it also. Okay. So, but Pakistan calls it as a strategic maneuver intended to challenge India. Challenge, the basic aim of Pakistan is to target India. अरे भाई खुद डेवलप हो, खुद कर लो, ट्रेड डील्स कर लो, डिफेंस डील्स कर लो, खुद आगे बढ़ो. सो आपकी सोच बदलेगी, तब हम बात करेंगे. जब हम बात करेंगे, जब आप अच्छे हो जाएंगे. So that's how even the parents won't talk to the spoiled kid till he don't get the things right. That's very common. But nahi. Okay, so Pakistan want to challenge India long-standing geopolitical dominance. The way India helped Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan. So Pakistan, India is having good amount of what geopolitical influence. India helps them during the crisis and the floods, in the earthquakes, humanitarian crisis. Food we will give in budget, we will give them money. We will try to invest in the particular projects. We will make the life better. So India is having good amount of geopolitical influence with regard to South Asia. Pakistan is saying that no, I will take some of these countries and make a bloc and work against India. That's anyhow not gonna happen, but they are trying it. This attempt of Pakistan, to have a grouping to recalibrate regional power dynamics was revealed by the Pakistan Deputy Prime Minister, and he only said that okay, we were thinking like this. Okay, okay, you keep on thinking, sir. We are very ahead of you. Islamabad is actively working to expand its trilateral initiative. So first of all, the Pakistan aim is to get China, then to Bangladesh. Okay, so basically the complete north they want to capture from here to here. They want to have the complete influence. Okay, so Pakistan is also making a arc of evil, a arc of evil. You can call it as a arc of evil. I have given a name today to this particular topic, arc of evil. Okay, fine. So Bangladesh, बेचारी country, अच्छी country थी with regard to India, but it's now gone case for us because it is completely taken over by the Islamic fundamentalist radicalist. Clear. So Islamabad is actively working to expand its trilateral initiative with Bangladesh and China to include other regional and extra-regional players. Also, they want. Means Pakistan is now going to. I will definitely. I'm thinking that if it will ask Afghanistan to join with Afghanistan. I don't know that how the response would be with the flower or the gun. I don't know about it, but definitely they are asking Turkey to join, and Turkey will be very willing to come forward. They will ask the Southeast Asian nations, Cambodia, Laos, Indonesia, Malaysia, Islamic Brotherhood, that particular principle they will use for sure in order to get more countries into this trilateral initiative in future. But they are not sustaining only with the arc of evil, which is nothing but arc, but they are also going to include lots of players from the other regions of the world. Okay, so what they get, Pakistan obviously very happy, smiling all the time, saying that okay, we have done a very great job by countering India's south geopolitical influence. They are happy in their own mind. Okay, that in reality will not happen. China, they are deepening the strategy, and China is already giving them defense system, whatnot. China is giving everything to them, money, भिखारी है पैसे देते रहो मांगते रहेंगे etc so and so forth. And one more important, that with the help of Bangladesh, Pakistan can have okay two front war with India, because you know that very well Pakistan military delegations has recently visited what Bangladesh also, so they are cooping something. I'm very much aware of it. There is something very bad is cooking. India need to take the cognizance of it. India need to settle the scores with the Bangladesh as early as possible, because we don't want that country to rise up unnecessarily and destroy themselves. We liberated them. Okay, they should not make that. We should only put them into the grave. It's their choice. Remember this point here. For Bangladesh, this initiative offers potentially crucial financial backing for the development projects, because China is there. An alternative to alliance on traditional multilateral sources. Alternative alliance like SAARC, BIMSTEC already has been a part of Bangladesh. और कुछ हो भी नहीं रहा है, तो they got a modern alliance. New look is always good. For China, the trilateral format served to deepen its strategic reach into the Bay of Bengal. So the moment China is here with Pakistan, China gets the Arabian Sea. With Bangladesh, China gets the okay, what I say is the Bay of Bengal. So Pakistan, with the help of this, can have very regional geopolitical influence they can have. So it has potentially it can complement the massive belt and road initiative with the China is building. So membership, as I've already told you, that Pakistan in future wanted to also include a lot of countries like Sri Lanka, Nepal, Maldives, all of whom have complex debt and investment relationship with China. So China will tell, please join ho jao. So on the backing China only, they will all come. Obviously, seeing Pakistan, no one will come. Just like seeing any kind of cricketer will not come. So will come only when Kohli is there. Okay. These smaller South Asian nations have at various times shows their willingness to diversify their diplomatic and economic partnership to mitigate India's overwhelming influence. Because at one point of time, I also remember this point, that when India was helping the Nepal, so the big brother kind of tag which was given to India at that time by the media has actually made the Nepalis to feel that they are losing their sovereignty, they are losing their feeling very undignified by making that up chote bhai hum bade bhai hum. So it's not like that. When you are two countries, you are on a parallel fronts. That's all about it. You are equal to brother. आप बड़े भाई छोटे भाई ऐसा नहीं होता है. So Nepalese media has lot of backlash with regard to Indian government officials the attitude with regard to this what I say is that handling of one of the particular earthquake of Nepal earthquake. So and these countries now are even thinking that okay, we should not be more of depending on India, we should also need to diversify our diplomatic international and trade relations. So they are also looking some alternatives, and this particular initiative of Pakistan may provide them a very good ground to achieve what they were aspiring for. I hope this is all clear to you, and do join my classes, test season mentorship, do follow and do give me hype score, and do like the video, do share it with all of your friends. And I have also started what this UPSC mains interview. It's very reasonable cost is there, so you'll get 8 sessions on this UPSC interview. Just don't lose the opportunity, be with me and try to crack the interview also in a very handsome way. I hope this is all clear to you. Take care. I'll come with next class with a lot of current affairs and updates to all of you. Have a nice day. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the day with hard work, consistency, and persistence. Okay, not just going here and there.